Okay guys, so this is the look for today, and it's going to be a quick and easy neutral look for every day. And yeah, so I've already applied my foundation and my eyebrows and a little bit of highlights, so let's get started. Here first we're going to apply a beige eyeshadow to the lid. Here we're going to blend the crease and blend out the edge of that beige color that we applied. Now we're going to apply a dark brown color to the outer section of our eyes and halfway into the crease. Now we're going to blend out that brown color that we placed on the outer corner and inner crease, and we're going to blend that in circular motions. Okay, now we're going to apply a cream color to the brow bone, and we're going to blend that down so it's seamless into the brown color that we applied in our crease. At this point, we're going to apply our liner, and you can apply it in any shape you want. Here I'm doing a wing, a short wing. After that, we're going to apply a liner to our waterline or bottom waterline, and I'm showing you that you can use any color pens that you want on that waterline, depending on the color that you're wearing that day. You could wear blue, green, just to spice this up a little bit, but I'm going to put black just for the sake of the tutorial. Now we're going to do what I may call my signature for school, and it's just to brighten up the eyes, add some shimmery gold color into on the tear duct, and I love doing this because it brightens the eye. We'll now be adding some mascara to the lashes. So now I'm going to just line the lips with a dark brown pencil, and this will help the color to stay on like through the day at school or however long you're at school. And then apply a lip gloss. Let's give the lips some shine, nothing too fussy. At this point I added some nude lipstick just to give the lips a little bit of pout in the middle. And that's it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.